Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn about brute force attack on a safe legal environment using bWAPP website. A brute force attack tries many password combination quickly. Hackers use this method to find weak password. We'll learn this to understand how to protect your system. For this test we use Hydra. Hydra is a tool that automates password testing. It can try 1,000 passwords very fast. Think of it as a robot that tests key for a lock. This video is for educational purpose only. Only test a system you are on or you have permission to test. Unauthorized hacking is illegal. We use bWAPP. bWAPP is a safe wearable web application for learning. We are installed it on our Ubuntu machine at this IP address. If you don't have this website or DVWA website, I have a separate video for this, how to install bWAPP or DVWA. You can find this video in the description. Here is the login page. We know the username is B, but we need to find the password. Let us see how the login form works. Here we use also called Linux. This two machine is inside VMware workstation. It is save lab. You can create your own save lab. If you don't have, I have separate video for creating lab for ethical hacking. You can find this video in the description. Here, open your terminal. Sudo su. Let us open it as root. I think it's enough. Here we use Hydra. Hydra is always built in with called Linux. You don't need to install this software. Now, how we can use these tools? Write a Hydra -l. -l is for username, website username. Here, the username is B. Then -p. We need one password list. Before this, let's create one password list. Here we need other terminal. Right click anywhere, open terminal. Here create your password list. You can create with this command nano. Then write your password list name. I want to create with this name. Then put.txt. Hit enter. Here I have a few password lists, but you can make or build bigger. Then press Ctrl O, hit enter, Ctrl X to save it. Now here we have this password list, test pass.txt. Let's continue. Write P, then write your password list name. After that, we need the IP address. The IP address of this website. It is on Ubuntu, on Save Lab. After IP address, we need to add http:/post-form add slash. Here inside double quotation /login.php. Here we add login.php. It is login page address. Here what parameters to send, how to know it login failed. After that we need to add small v and capital V. Small and capital V is to show details output. Then -t, we can add one number, for example 4. It means use 4 parallel connections. Then -f to stop after finding password. Just here we have one extra space. Okay, then hit enter. Each line shows a Hydra testing a different password. When it finds the right one, it will stop. Successfully, Hydra find the password bug quickly. This shows why weak passwords are dangerous. How to protect against brute force attack? Use a strong password. Enable account logouts. Use two-factor authentication. Today we learned how brute force attack work. Remember, use knowledge to protect, not attack. Like and subscribe for more tutorial. Have a good time.